Welcome to the Windows Club. ChatGPT is a new trend in the artificial intelligence market, and if you wish to learn using it, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Go to openai.com/blog/ChatGPT and click on Try ChatGPT. When you click on it, it will ask for you to log in, and if you have already logged into it using your Google or Microsoft account, you would reach this page. Click on New Chat and ask any question. For example, I'll ask what is Windows 11. Then hit enter and wait for the reply. It will give you a complete article on the same, and this will be different from the suggestions you get through Google. The English would also be significantly better. But you can realize the power of this tool if you try to change the language. Please convert to Spanish. It will wait for a few seconds because when you try to convert the language, it will need to think a little, and then it will convert the whole response as it to Spanish. And if you ask an actual Spanish person on whether this Spanish is correct or not, it would be up to the point. After this, it can also calculate a lot more things for you. For example, please suggest a quantized 1700 calorie diet plan. You can get the suggestion from Google as well, but with ChatGPT you can make it a little different that only a nutritionist could help you with, and mention in which roasted chicken is included. You can change roasted chicken to anything else, and let us see if ChatGPT can generate a script for it. We'll wait for a few seconds because it works like a human being, so it will need a while to think about it. So ChatGPT has created a customized 1700 diet plan which includes roasted chicken, and this is not something which is directly available on the internet. You have to think for it. If you wish to clear the conversations, simply click on Clear Conversations and then select Confirm Clear Conversations. To change it into the dark mode, click on this option, and change it to back to light mode, click on this option once again. If you wish to log out, here's the option to log out. Isn't this easy and interesting? If this was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you wish to know more about ChatGPT, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.